Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to study about writing skills. There are different types of writing skills like essay writing, letter writing, dialogue writing, report writing, summary writing, etc. Today, we are going to concentrate on essay writing. Let us see what is an essay. An essay is a composition made up of several paragraphs. It is short piece of writing. It deals with a single idea. A well-written essay usually has a title and a minimum of 3 paragraphs. There are 4 kinds of essay: descriptive essay, narrative essay, argumentative essay, and reflective essay. Now, let us see what is descriptive essay. A descriptive essay paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object, or even memory of special significance. For example, my teacher, my school, etc. Next is narrative essay. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about a real life experience. For example, a visit to a hill station. Next is argumentative essay. It is a type of essay that presents argument about both sides of an issue. For example, advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Next is reflective essay. Reflective essay reflects someone's idea on a particular topic, especially on a public issue. It analyzes the past event with present. For example, child labor, dowry system, etc. Now, let us see the basic structure of an essay. An essay is divided into 3 distinct parts. First part is the introduction or the beginning. The purpose of the introduction is to introduce the topic to the reader. The introduction is usually shorter than the following paragraph, as it only tells the reader what to expect in the essay. Second part, the body. The body is the middle part of an essay that gives us the detailed information about the topic. It can be divided into several paragraphs depending on the length of the assignment. Third, the conclusion. It is the end of an essay. It is the most important part of an essay as it summarizes the main argument or thoughts and demonstrates the importance of your ideas. Children, we have already covered descriptive essay in our previous video. Today, we are going to write a narrative essay. Our topic is a journey by train. Here, you are going to tell us about your real life story or your real life experience. Let's begin with our essay, A Journey by Train. As I told you, first paragraph is an introduction part. So in this paragraph, you will mention the place or the destination of your journey, with whom you were traveling, and whether it was a long distance journey or a short distance, and from where you have boarded your train, at what time train left. All these details you will mention in this paragraph. Let's see our first paragraph. I have travelled very often by train, short distance as well as long distance. But I shall never forget the trip I once took to Gwalior with my parents. We boarded the train at Mumbai Central and the train left at 8 in the evening. Soon the TC came along and checked our tickets. Now let's see second paragraph, that is body of an essay. This will have detailed information about your journey, like how you slept in the train, with whom you met, how many people were there in the compartment, how you spent that night, what kind of food you had. All the details you have to mention in this second paragraph. Let's see our second paragraph. There were about 4 people in our compartment who had entered without proper reservation, and the TC had an argument with them. Finally, they got off at the next station. That night, I slept uncomfortably. The next morning, I woke up early. I looked out of the window. Everything outside was moving so fast. Daddy placed orders for tea and breakfast with the train caterer. Opposite us was a family of 3, father, mother, and daughter. They were very friendly people. The girl Tanya was about my age. Very soon, all of us were on friendly terms. So children, this was your second paragraph. Now the third paragraph, that is conclusion, end of the essay. Here you will mention when you reached your destination, at what time you reached, and who came to pick you up. All these details you have to mention in your third paragraph. Let's see our third paragraph. Later we had lunch and had a nap for a while. Before we knew it, we had reached Gwalior. At Gwalior, my uncle was there to receive us. I had truly enjoyed the trip because of the nice family we had met in the train. So children, this was our essay. Now I would like to give you one homework, and the topic is how I spent the summer vacation. In this essay, I have taught you how to describe your experience, your journey, right? So in the same way, you have to describe how you spent your summer vacation. So you have to mention your experience. I hope you will be able to write an essay. Hope to see you soon. Till then, stay home, stay safe.